Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. If you've made the decision to part ways with Facebook permanently, the process of deleting your account is a deliberate yet straightforward one. So begin with Facebook app on your mobile device or accessing Facebook through a web browser. You have to tap on the Facebook and log into the account you wish to delete, and locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the app and have to tap on this line to open the menu and scroll down. Tap on the settings and privacy, and under that option tap on the settings, and on the top we can see Meta Account Center. Select that option, and over here account setting we could see you have to tap on your personal details, and under the personal details we could see on the bottom there's account ownership and control. So simply tap on that option, and this section contains options related to managing your account. So tap on the deactivation or deletion option and tap on the respective account you want to delete on your screen. And here we could see they have two options, and tap on the second option that says delete your account permanent. So tap on the continue after you're done with it. Facebook will provide information about the deletion process and its consequences, and here we could see there are a few reasons why you want to delete. So simply tap one of it and tap on the continue, which is on the bottom, and tap on the continue, and we have to scroll all the way to the bottom, and under here there's a continue option that right there. Tap on that as well, and for your security you have to enter your password to continue. And after you enter your password, you can simply tap on the continue in order to delete your account. And there's a finalize deletion. After confirming your password and any additional steps, you have to tap on delete account, and this will initiate the process of permanently deleting your Facebook account. So during the waiting period, which can take up to 30 days, avoid logging back into your Facebook account. Logging in within this time frame will cancel the deletion process. And this is it guys, congratulations, you have successfully initiated the process to permanently delete your Facebook account directly from your Android device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.